What if your tech could keep up with the toughest jobs on the planet? Meet Samsung's Galaxy XCover7 Pro and Tab Active5 Pro, ruggedized beasts built for frontline heroes. Ready to see what they can do? What's good, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today, we're diving into Samsung's latest game changers for frontline workers, the Galaxy XCover7 Pro smartphone and Tab Active5 Pro tablet. These ruggedized devices are dropping May and June 2025, and they're packed with durability, power, and smarts to crush it in industries like healthcare, logistics, and construction. Stick around to see why these are the ultimate tools for the job. Let's talk toughness. The XCover7 Pro and Tab Active5 Pro are built to survive the harshest conditions. Both are IP68 rated for water and dust resistance, so accidental splashes or submersion, no problem. They're MIL STD 810H certified, meaning they laugh off drops, extreme temps, and vibrations. The Tab Active5 Pro's Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus display adds extra scratch and impact protection, and its S Pen works even in wet conditions. Perfect for signing forms or jotting notes on the go. Plus, both devices are tested for sanitizer use, so they're ideal for hospitals or retail where cleaning's a must. Oh, and glove-friendly touch sensitivity? Yep, these work with gloves up to 2mm thick. Now let's get to performance. The XCover7 Pro rocks a 4,350 mAh battery, while the Tab Active5 Pro packs a massive 10,100 mAh dual hot swap battery. Swap it out without powering down. The Tab even has a no battery mode for kiosks or in-vehicle setups. Both are powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, expandable up to 2TB. Need to stay connected? 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and dual SIM support keep you online even in crowded networks. And with Vision Booster, the screens up to 600 nits on the Tab stay crystal clear in bright sunlight. Clear comms? Stereo speakers with anti-feedback tech deliver loud, crisp audio, perfect for walkie-talkie mode in noisy spots like construction sites. These devices aren't just tough, they're smart. AI-powered tools like Circle to Search, Object Eraser, and Read Aloud makes tasks faster and easier. Programmable keys let you launch apps like barcode scanners or push to talk with one tap. The Tab Active5 Pro's front-facing NFC turns it into a mobile point-of-sale system for retail or hospitality. Need a desktop vibe? Samsung DeX hooks you up with a monitor for a full TC experience. And security? Samsung Knox Vault encrypts your data with real-time protection and tampering detection to keep sensitive info locked down. These are enterprise-grade tools for pros who mean business. Samsung gets it. Frontline workers need tech. That's as tough as they are. The XCover7 Pro and Tab Active5 Pro are built to keep retail, logistics, healthcare, and more running smoothly, no matter the chaos. With the ruggedized smartphone market set to hit 4.46 million units and tablets at 1.89 million by 2028, these devices are the future for pros who can't afford downtime. From seamless workflows to unbreakable designs, Samsung's delivering excellence for the front lines. Ready to gear up? The Galaxy XCover7 Pro drops May 8, 2025, and the Tab Active5 Pro hits in early June.